I thought I adopted a cat, but I actually bought a projectile. You're 3 parallel universes ahead of the laser pointer, but gravity is still playing. I used the finger gun on my cat and he actually started a 5-stage dramatic.
We're halfway there.
Huh?
You're trying to have a serious dramatic moment, but your human thinks you're just a giant stress ball. You're trying to stay mad, but the vibes are 100% immaculate. Gravity is a harsh mistress, but an even harsher landlord.
No.
You're trying to take a nap, but the local tabby thinks you're a 24-hour self-service milk bar. Stay hydrated, little guy. Gravity 1, bird 0. My cat just successfully performed a manual override on that flight plan. Convinced he thinks he's an elite. You spend your whole life training to be a menace, but your target thinks you are just a sentient cotton ball. Trying to start a fight, but your ping is 999 and the server lag is real.
What the fuck?
You hire a professional hunter, but they decide to play tag instead. Worst exterminator ever. 1 out of 5 stars. The guitar case is open, but you realize you are actually a percussionist. You have a 10 o'clock a.m. meeting, but you are still buffering. Your brain reaches 100% capacity, but your tongue is still stuck at 2% installation. You're trying to be dramatic, but your sibling isn't even looking. I used to think my cat was liquid until I saw this attempt to escape through the bars. My brain says he can make it, but his midsection says otherwise. Trying to stay on your diet, but you see a snack and your self-control exits the chat. You hear the snacks opening, but you are trying to act like you are above it all. to tell your roommates that the door works both ways and now it is. I have calculated the trajectory and the velocity. It is now time for the chaos. I spent 3 years mastering the art of the upside-down guilt trip and yet I still have 0 nachos.
No.
Clearly my training is incomplete. The durian hits the nostrils so hard you have to bury it like a fresh crime scene. Curiosity didn't kill the cat, but it definitely murdered the vibe of that office. The salad tries to eat you back.
Huh?
Mistakes were made. Lessons were not learned. Retrying in 3 seconds.
Huh?
The catnip hits mid-snack and you suddenly have to question every life choice that led you to this moment. You're 90% fluff and 10% liquid. The laws of physics and standard jail cells simply do not apply to you. Your sibling thinks they're the main character, but you have a black belt in sibling rivalry.
Huh?
You're the star athlete, but the ball has its own personal agenda. That backflip was a 10 out of 10 for effort. The smell of salmon is so strong it literally reboots your entire system.
Huh?
You decide to flex your parkour skills but forget the audience is a professional predator. My cat might have been assembled without the instruction manual. If anyone knows how to reset it. The IT department has no idea what they are doing, but they still insist on.
Huh?
You're trying to act cool and casual, but the floor has other plans. The group chat is talking smack, but you pull up to the crib to see if they still have that same energy.
Huh?
You're trying to be the main character in a romantic slow-motion reunion, but your dog has a strict schedule that does not include you. Forget you are a dog and try to enter your Olympic gymnast era midwalk. Titans training for the Mission Impossible reboot and you are just the exhausted moment when you are trying to act like a sophisticated adult but then someone pulls out a snack and you immediately spent years training for this exact moment only to discover intern tries to network with the CEO but realizes they have you're only 36% heart and 100% chaos. This is why we can't have nice things or full cups of water. Stay hydrated and stay dangerous. Spent 5 frames contemplating my dinner, and honestly, the giant yellow lemon has... What? You're trying to have a main character moment, but the siblings are already practicing their wrestling careers in your lap. Curiosity didn't kill the cat, but it definitely ended the party. That face in the last frame says he has immediate regrets and several questions.